In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use GitHub Discussions. GitHub Discussions gives your project a dedicated place for open conversation, questions, and announcements, separate from issues and pull requests. Let's walk through turning it on and making your first discussion start to finish. First, open your browser and search for GitHub. Click the official GitHub result to head to the site and sign in to your account. If your organization uses additional security, complete that as usual. Once you're in, navigate to the repository where you want to enable discussions. You'll need maintainer or admin permissions for this, so if you don't see certain options, check with a repo admin. Inside the repository, look along the top and click the Settings tab. On the left, or within the main settings page depending on your view, scroll until you find the Features section. This is where GitHub groups optional tools that you can turn on for a repo. Check the box labeled Discussions. Enabling it adds a community forum to your project. Right after you check that box, click Set up Discussions. This guided setup helps you create a friendly welcome post and kick off your first thread. In your welcome message, briefly explain what the space is for, share any ground rules, and point people to helpful resources like contributing guidelines or a code of conduct. For your first thread, you can start a simple "Introduce yourself" or a "What would you like to see next?" topic to get the conversation going. Once enabled, you'll notice a new Discussions tab appear in the repository's top navigation. Click it any time to browse, search, and create threads. Discussions are organized into categories, which help everyone find the right place to post. Common examples include announcements, which are read only for non-maintainers, Q&A, which lets maintainers mark replies as answers, so solutions surface clearly, and polls for quick community votes. You can also create up to 25 custom categories to match your project's needs. Keep names short and descriptions clear so contributors know exactly where to post. Finally, if you have open-ended brainstorms, living in issues, convert an issue to a discussion to keep your issue tracker focused on actionable work. This keeps bug reports and tasks clean, while broader conversations continue in discussions. And that's it. You've enabled discussions, set a welcoming tone, and organize the space for productive community collaboration.